Hello, Ollie members. My name's David, and I'm excited to share with you the computer classes and lectures that I'm going to be offering for the fall 2023 semester. First up is a brand new lecture, AI for All Ages, how you can benefit today from artificial intelligence. I'll demonstrate how to write and proofread our emails, create a meal plan, summarize a topic, and perform mundane tasks in seconds, all using AI. I'm also going to talk about the limitations of AI, including privacy, bias, ethics, and its accuracy. If you've been wondering what all the buzz is about, or perhaps a little worried about our computer overlords, you should join me for this lecture. It will be over Zoom on the afternoon of Thursday, October 19. In November, I'm bringing back a popular class about your Android phone and tablets. We'll cover basic functionality, including downloading apps, personalization, security, accessibility, useful settings, and what all those little icons mean. This will be on November 2nd on campus, so bring your Android device with you. Then, back by popular demand, is online safety, security, and privacy. Are you scared to go online because of hackers and viruses? Wondering what's real and what's a scam? This interactive talk about online safety will provide up-to-date advice on avoiding viruses, spyware, junk, and mail, and in getting tricked by the enemy. You'll learn how to be smart about your password and keep your devices up to date. Got questions about VPNs, Wi-Fi, and the cloud? Bring them with you. This is on November 16, held over Zoom. My third class this semester is all about Windows 11 and your laptop. Want to know what all those ports do or how to change your desktop background, connect to another display, improve your battery performance, use Wi-Fi? Then this class is for you. We'll also talk about useful settings in Windows, shortcuts, and preferences. So be sure to bring your laptop to this class on November 30th on campus. Here's the lectures and classes which are also in your catalog. I look forward to seeing you and wish you a great semester with Ollie. Thanks for watching.